Afternoon everyone, this is Grant from SFE Services. Hope you're well, keeping yourself safe. Thought I'd just share a little video with you. Been called out to a place with air conditioning in the garden studio. Builders installed it. As you can see, not particularly well. The system's not heating or cooling. We've been called to investigate, see what the problems are with it. And as I'll show you, this is evidently all up and running. Flare nuts completely loose, should be tight, and the service valves completely wound in. So we'll have to pressure test this system now, make sure the builder's at least done the flare nuts inside up tight with a bit of luck, and then we'll go from there.